Hi everyone, welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa. I am the Crafty Author and today is Sewing Talk Tuesday, and we're going to do something a little bit different this week. We are actually going to go on a field trip together to Joann's. So Brandon is so excited because we're going into Joann's. He loves this store. He can't even control his excitement for it. Right, Brandon?
Yep. We're going to go with that.
I'm kidding. He hates this store. But here is why we're here. So I am going to be doing a tutorial on a fall table runner. And I am here to pick up fabric so that we can do that. And I am going to be cutting the appliques and stuff for this fall table runner. Goodness. And I will be having them for sale. So if you would be interested in making the table runner, like after I show you the tutorial and whatnot, and you want to make one yourself the same, then I will have a couple of kits available. So we're going to go in the store and we're going to start looking at some fall fabrics. Okay, so Brandon says that we only need one border, but I think we need two. So anyway, here's the fabrics that I've chosen. So this is going to be fabric for the pumpkins. This is fabric for one of the leaves. This is fabric for the other leaf. This is fabric for pumpkins. This is the inner border fabric. This is the main fabric that you will applique the pumpkins and the leaves to. And this is the outer border fabric. Yes, finally made it home. It's also 91 degrees today. It's hot. Actually, it was 93. It's 91 now. And it was really hot. And we are actually getting ready for snow tomorrow. So, yeah. It's very weird weather today. This is where our giant tree died. So we still have our flowers and stuff there. We're getting ready to plant some more trees, probably right about there. We have ash falling all over the place. There's the sun. You can see our skies are kind of gross. Yesterday it was really bad. So yesterday was really bad because the fires that are burning in northern Colorado and in Wyoming were affecting how things are, the air quality today and yesterday. It's just been really bad. So there's ash falling all over the place. I don't know if you can see it, but there's literally ash. So we're outside here. We're bringing in the flowers. We're putting them in the garage, just because, you know, it's going to snow and we don't want them all to die. So there's that. So this is what I ended up getting at Joann's. I'm sorry, my car is a mess, but you'll get the point here. So got I bought all the fabric on the bolts. This is going to be for the table runner that I talked about when I was in the store. It was a little hard to record in there. There were a lot of people today because it's Labor Day. So things were on sale. Got my grandson's stroller back here in my car. Got some of this. This is real cute fabric. And then, of course, this. And then polka dots. And just some black. That's actually regular black. I don't know why it looks gray on here. Black and white polka dots. Heat and bond. And then the fabrics that we're going to use on the table runner, and then of course some baby flannel. And yeah, so we're gonna unload all this and take it on into the house and put it in the craft room. Brandon's measuring something. He's gonna be fixing something on the house. But yeah, so it's really about it. This was a really expensive trip. more than I had anticipated, even though these items were $2.99 a yard. Since I bought most of everything on the bolt, it had 8 yards or more, so it just added up very, very quickly. But you know, I'll go through it and I'll use it and make a bunch of rag quilts and sell them, and so it's not that big of a deal. But boy, when you're going through that line, you get that final bill, you're like, what? But like you can see, this snuggle fabric here is like $7.99 a yard. It was $2.99 a yard. That's gray and white polka dots, which is super cute. I think most of these were $7.99 a yard normally. Sorry, I bumped because I'm trying to hold the camera. That one is $8.99 a yard. So yeah, I mean, overall, I feel like I got a pretty decent deal. These fabrics, I think, were 30% off, like I said. So I'm really excited to put together one of these and see how it turns out, the table runners. So that, I think, is it. So it's Tuesday morning and we're out on our morning walk, and this is snow. Beautiful flowers. This is snow on a beautiful September morning. You can see I'm bundled. Got my Keep On Crafting sweatshirt on. Yeah, it's cold here. I'm going to try and flip the camera so you can see that it's like, I don't know, it's like a rain snow mix right now. It is cold. It's like 40 degrees out here.
33.
Oh, 33. Excuse me, 33. Yesterday it was 93. So we have some extreme weather going on here. Okay. Flipping the camera so you can see. I wonder if you can see I don't know if I stop, maybe. There you go. Now you can see it coming down a little bit. That's what I wanted to show you. It's not horrible. It's just cold. And, you know, I'm kind of a sun baby. But at the same time, I was so ready for this because we have had horrible fires here. And the other day it was actually raining ash everywhere from these fires. So this is kind of a welcome.
I think she's ready to turn around and go back.
She is. We have little Miss Sophie with us. She wanted to come out for a walk this morning. So this is a very short walk. We've been walking for maybe 5 minutes. She can't handle it anymore. I know a lot of you have been following me when I shared that she has cancer on her tongue. She's got a huge tumor. So we've just been kind of hanging out with her and enjoying her company for as long as we can. Unfortunately, we are at that time where that difficult decision has to be made. And it's either going to be later today or tomorrow, probably, is my guess. And the reason being is that she just cannot breathe when she relaxes. And nighttime is really rough and scary. During the day, she acts kind of like a puppy, and I think it's because she feeds off of our energy, to be honest. But yeah, so that time has come, unfortunately. It sucks. We're sad. But that's life. So anyway, that's the update on Sophie girl. And so yeah, I will not be doing any videos after that happens. I will be taking some time for myself to grieve. So, anyway, that's it. Snow, right? snow is awesome. So if you're in a heat wave, enjoy watching me freeze my butt off out here. So anyway, I'm gonna flip the camera. We're gonna just walk up the street a little bit more. Now you can see it. It's just everywhere. It's kind of nice. I have a friend who lives up in Wyoming. She posted pictures. I think she lives close to Casper, and she said that they have had about 6 inches of snow, and her whole entire front yard is covered in deep snow. So that's neat. Since it was so hot here yesterday, the snow has melted rather quickly, and so we don't really have any sticking anywhere other than on the grass. And you saw how little that really was. So, sorry, I'm breathing hard. We're going up a hill. No, you can see some snow. All right, there. All right, so we're back home. We've got everyone settled in now. So what I want to say is I want to say thank you to all of you who have reached out to me and asked about Sophie and see how I was doing. I did want to give you guys just that quick little update about her on that. So yeah. Anyway, that is all that I have for this week, to be perfectly honest. What have I worked on? Oh, I finished making all those rag quilts. So I have a bunch of rag quilts that are in my Etsy shop in case you're interested in checking those out. The link is down below in the description box. It links to my store, Crafty Author Boutique on Etsy. I have 11 rag quilts up for sale over there. They're all adorable, free shipping with each and every one of them. It's priority shipping. So that's what I worked on all of last week. It took me days upon days to do it. And I was actually impressed because I was able to make about 3 rag quilts a day. And I did post in my group that I was able to cut 3 rag quilts in 30 minutes. Was it? Yes, 3 rag quilts in about 30 minutes. And it was because I was using my QUILTS Studio 2. So that's an industrial cutter from QUILTS. It does amazing. And the rag quilt dye that you use with that machine is really, really strong and amazing too. So I didn't have to stop and clean it out as often as I do with my Go dye, because those aren't meant for industrial type of use. They're made for personal use. So it would make sense that you would have to stop and clean it out. So anyway, so yeah. So I worked on those and they turned out so cute. So cute. And then as you saw yesterday, we made another trip to Joann's because, well, fabric was $2.99 a yard, which was a doorbuster, which was amazing. I am waiting on an order of batting to come in. So I was able to get the same Pell-on batting that I use in all my quilts that I have downstairs. You guys have seen me use the big roll. I actually picked that up at Overstock.com, of all places. I didn't know that they had batting, but they do. And so I ordered 2 big rolls of it from there. At Joann's, they wanted like $164 for the roll, which is where I originally purchased it from, and I got it on sale when I purchased it from them. Overstock had it for $100. So yeah, that was a no-brainer. So I just purchased from there. So that should be here, I think, tomorrow or Thursday. Who knows? But yeah, I think that's it. Oh, and I did get another die from QUILTS. So I forgot about that order. I ordered 2 new cutting mats for my QUILTS Studio 2, just because, oh man, we were beating the heck out of that one. making all those rag quilts. So I always like to have a couple on hand just in case, you know, you need it. So I ordered that, 2 of those, and then I got a die that has pumpkins and leaves, and that is what I will be making the table runner out of that you saw the fabric for in this video earlier. So it will be part of a quilt kit or a table runner kit. So that's it. So if you're interested in a table runner kit, then just tell me down below in the comment section. Now, I do want to make another comment here. So on last week's Sewing Talk Tuesday, I posted the video and then I had to disable all of the comments on it, and it had nothing to do with anything that you guys were saying. The spam bots are out and they are alive and well. So I had a lot of dirty spamming going on. And I kept removing it, but they kept spamming. So I just finally disabled the comments to shut that down. So I just wanted to let you know, if you see that or the comments are disabled, that's because that is what is going on. And it is annoying on my end, just as I'm sure it's annoying on your end to see that. So I'm trying to monitor that whole comment section and whatnot. So yeah, there's that. So that's it for this week. If you'd like to follow me on social media, the links are down below in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you'd like to share it, feel free to, because sharing is caring. And also don't forget to click that little bell. You'll get notified each and every time that I upload a new video by becoming a subscriber. And keep on crafting. See you guys next time.